Hello children, I hope you all are fine and safe in your home. Now children, as you know, we are discussing nowadays different states of the northern mountains. As you know, this lesson 2 is going on. Let's see children where the states are. This is the Jammu and Kashmir. Children, first of all, the northern mountain it extends from Jammu and Kashmir towards Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Okay, Jammu and Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Now, different states see their location. This is Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. Okay, Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. Now come states of seven sisters. Okay, this is the place of Sikkim. Sikkim is not in state of seven sisters. Then Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, and this is Nagaland. Okay, now see state of seven sisters: Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland. And this is the place of Sikkim. And these states only, children, you know, we are discussing one by one. Okay, children, now you see, as we have started from this. Now, children, do you remember anything? If yes, very good. Otherwise, see, what is a mountain? Remember it, keep it in your mind carefully. A mountain is something that is part of the land that rises above everything else, because mountains, they have height and they raise above everything. A mountain is something that is part of the land that rises above everything else. Okay children, now see, why are the Himalayas known as home of snow, or you can say abode of snow? They are known as home of snow or abode of snow because they are always covered with snow. Okay children? Okay children, next important point is name the main rivers that originate from these mountains. Name the freshwater rivers that originate from these mountains. Okay children, name these rivers. Okay, I'll tell you. The name of the rivers are Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. These are the rivers. They originate from the Himalayas. Okay? Okay children. Now Jammu and Kashmir, it stretches from the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Okay children. Now listen carefully. Mountain region stretches from Jammu and Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Okay. Now children, see how many states are covered in this mountain region. Union territories are Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Then states Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, and state of seven sisters. These names, children, it is difficult to learn, but you have to learn it. Now see carefully: Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya. Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya. Okay? I am telling you children again and again because you people are telling in WhatsApp conversation when I am asking something, except one or two, you all are telling wrong. Okay? So please learn these names carefully. Okay children, now as you know, yesterday we have discussed Sikkim. Now see the important points of Sikkim. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. Capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. Kanchenjunga, that is the third highest peak in the world, it is located in Sikkim. Okay. The border of Sikkim touches Nepal and Bhutan, And that is why I told you the people living in Sikkim, they are the mixture of both the cultures. Okay, children? Most of the people of Sikkim, they follow Buddhism. They follow Buddhism means they are the followers of Lord Buddha. Okay? Now, people of two tribes, they live over there. What are they? Lepcha and Bhutia tribes. And also Buddhist monasteries are there, in which one landmark is there, that is Rumtek Monastery. Means Sikkim is known for this Rumtek Monastery. Okay, and Sikkim is known for its oranges and orchids. Orchids also, children, I told you, orchids is a type of flower. The people have great fondness for dance and music. Means the people living in Sikkim, they love dancing and music. Their mask dance is very famous. That is very interesting to watch too. Okay, now see the picture of this. Okay, now see the pictures of Sikkim. These are the people, men and women dressed up. They belong to Lepcha and Bhutia tribes. Now this is the Rumtek Monastery, that is a landmark of Sikkim. Okay. Now children, one more thing I have shown you, that is Nathula Pass. It is a mountain pass in the Himalayas in East Sikkim district. And also I told you कि in previous topics you have understood the word pass. Pass means the path, the narrow path that is constructed in between two mountains or hills. Okay children, so that people can move between these mountains or hills. Okay children. Now again I am showing you the picture of mass dance, that is very interesting to watch, and these dances are performed by the Sikkimese people. Okay. Now children, let's come on the next state, that is Darjeeling. Okay. Darjeeling is famous for its high quality tea, which is produced on the hill slopes. The Tiger Hills is a famous tourist spot. Children, I told you that in hilly areas they grow tea or whatever crops they want to grow. They prepare stairs, and that is known as terrace farming. And children, one more thing, tea of Darjeeling is very famous. Top class tea is produced in Darjeeling, and Darjeeling is also known for Tiger Hills. Okay children. Okay children, now see the picture of Tiger Hill. Children, you know, people go to Darjeeling to see the sunrise and sunset of Tiger Hill. It is famous for sunrise and sunset. Now see children, Tiger Hill is located in Darjeeling in the Indian state of West Bengal, and it is at highest point in Darjeeling. This Tiger Hill, beta, this is at the highest point. As children, you can easily understand from the language, because it is on good height. That is why we can see sunrise and sunset. As children, you know, if we are on the ground floor in our house, we cannot see anything clearly. Okay, when we come on the topmost floor and we see the sky, sun, moon, stars, we can see clearly. And that is what happened on the Tiger Hill. It is at a good height. That is why people used to go over there to see the sunrise and sunset. Okay. Now children, as I told you, see the tea garden of Darjeeling. Okay. They have prepared stairs, that is known as terrace. They have prepared the terrace, and then they do farming. Okay children, Darjeeling tea is acclaimed to be among best teas in the world. Now understood? Darjeeling's tea is the best in the world. And one more thing children, Darjeeling is known as the Queen of Hills. Now children, this is the general view of Darjeeling, means picture of Darjeeling and outlook of this place. Okay children. Okay children, now this is the time for your homework. Okay, question number 1 is, capital of Sikkim is. Okay children, listen the questions carefully. Capital of Sikkim is. Question number 2 is, name the third highest peak located in Sikkim. Question number 2 is, name the third highest peak located in Sikkim. Question number 3 is name the landmark of Sikkim. Question number 3 is name the landmark of Sikkim. Question number 4 is name the mountain pass. Now question number 4 is name the mountain pass in the Himalayas in East Sikkim state. Okay children, I hope you all have understood this all very well. Thank you very much children. Stay at home, stay safe and keep yourself healthy. Thank you and have a nice day.